Hey everybody, it's Lazy Liz coming from my 9B garden in Central Florida, and I just wanted to kind of show you that I actually do use some things that I get out the garden. And this is probably my first real harvest for this year. I have been getting some tomatoes out of here, but now we're actually starting to eat out of the garden. And I made a little breakfast and I wanted to show it to you. So I kind of dug these radishes or pulled these radishes up, and I'm going to give them a little bit of a rinse because you want to get as much of the dirt off as you can. So y'all give this video a thumbs up for fantastic radishes. So this is my harvest for this morning, and I'll probably have all this for breakfast. So I got a few radishes, some green beans, and some baby carrots, and my one strawberry. Now, this is probably not worthy of an official recipe, but I will say I used almost everything. So I washed everything off really good, and I even used the carrot tops. I used the radish tops, the radish, the beans, the baby carrots, all that. And I also had some of the husky red tomatoes from my garden, the last of them, and I added in some onions and also some minced garlic. And y'all, I just put a little bit of this and a little bit of that into this recipe because that's kind of how I roll. And I love using my cast iron pan. Did y'all know that when you use cast iron pan, it releases iron into your food, but not so much that it will hurt you? It's like a good amount of iron for your body. So I used my lovely cast iron skillet here for this, and I just made sure everything was kind of not soft, but cooked through nice and warm. And then I just added in all of those green tops to this. And y'all, yes, the green stuff kind of dwindled it down to almost nothing, but I was only making breakfast for myself, so it was a-okay. So that's breakfast with my strawberry on the side there. I made some egg whites. There is one egg yellow in there, some egg whites, and these are the last of my husky red tomatoes, and kind of a stir fry of everything that I got off the garden this morning. And that's it.